is a test of the new weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and/or hazards in East Central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Louisville, from a transmitter in Lexington on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz, with a rebroadcast through a transmitter in Madison County on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties: East Central Kentucky, Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Clark, Fayette, Garrett, Harrison, Jessamine, Madison, Mercer, Montgomery, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the new weather radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming.
You heard the whole thing? Go back in. We're going to do it again. Uh-oh, Joe. She's coming.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the bluegrass region of central Kentucky, including Lexington and surrounding areas. Tonight, showers and chance of thunderstorms.
Still hear weather radio.
In the mid-50s.
Aha! Alright, that was a good one. This thing still didn't activate for nothing. I gotta figure this out. But, anyway, that was it. Actually, I gotta figure it out in here. Hold on. The alert's on.
You see the nun over there? I gave her mono. She's looking for me. I gave her mono. It's the kissing disease, right? I volunteered at the church, right? You know, all the wine, the candles, the incense. We were drinking. She was drinking a little wine. The candles were lit. It was so
Wait a minute,
romantic.
Martin.
Oh shoot! Do me a favor. You didn't see me. Cover for it. You don't know where I am. Look at his face. He's like, please do not come up to me.
Did I see you talking to my friend?
Oh, what do I have? Them, 1, 2.
You wouldn't lie to a nun, would you?
You wouldn't lie to a nun, would you?
I don't
Hold on.
know.
God's sake.
And do you know where he is?
I just bounced it to the wall, so it's a bit easier to do. Country. Yeah, I have it set to that.
Here we go. We're in. Do you know when they open the fountain?
Alright, yo man is entering the park now.
Okay. You'll know him when you see him.
You know when you see him.
See, this was supposed to go off, but
Oh, he's walking up.
It was 64 degrees, the dew point 58, and the relative humidity 80%.
this has been having nothing but issues recently. Where I have this in a good position. This does jack shit, so I don't know what's going on.
To be fair,
Frankfurt.
I'm gonna go hide behind that tree. Do me a favor. You didn't see me.
So I don't know what's going on.
Excuse me. Can I see you
Okay.
someone I know? I didn't see where you went. That's why I'm asking you. You sure about that? That's a stand-up guy right there. Dude, we're good? Sal is in. Perfect. Not hot, not cold. That's There's almost not even a seat. That's why sorry I squeezed in. There was hardly no seats. All right, let's send in our actor. Oh, here she comes. This one's evil. I think we got someone. This is evil. Oh God, is that her?
If this goes through, am I gonna hurt you?
Why?
Go Big Show, new season January 6th on TBS.
Alright, well, that's gonna be it. Hope you enjoyed.